Alright, I'm hunting for one of these shoes over here on this side of the screen. So let's see if we can find it. One's a Rasta and one's like a, I don't know, Tiffany's teal Nike Dunk, I guess. I don't know too much about shoes, but they're sick. Alright you guys, we're at the SneakFest at the Nashville Stadium. It is packed in here, tons of sneakers. It was like 55 bucks. Comes with a free ticket to a Titans game, so we're excited for that. Let's check it out, let's get into this. Well, that's it from the SneakFest at the Titans Stadium. We'll see you guys soon. I didn't end up buying anything, but probably be back for another one. Keep looking for what I want, but check out video on the left and the right hand side of the screen. And don't forget, please subscribe and hit the like button. Comment your favorite shoes.